Wishing everyone a happy and lovely morning. Hope everyone is safe and fine at home. Children, in ES subject today we are going to start with the chapter number 6, Ria's journey. Now, this is the chapter about a girl. Her name is Ria. She is going for a trip on a train to Vapi with her mother, father, and her brother Himaksh. So, let us start and know about her journey. I insist all the children please open your textbook so that you can also understand along when I am reading and explaining. Chapter number 6, Ria's journey. Ria and her friend Jia were very excited. Now here two girls, one named Ria and another is Jia. They are very excited. They were going for a trip on a train to Vapi. Ria was going to her uncle's house and Jia was going to Daman with her family for a holiday. As both the family decided to go together, Ria's father had booked train tickets for both the families before 15 days. Now here Ria's father has done the reservation of the train tickets so that they can have a comfortable journey. Just 2 days before the journey, Jia fell ill. Doctor told her to take rest. Jia's family had to cancel their tickets. Both friends were very sad as they had made many plans for the trip. Due to Jia's cancellation, Ria felt very sad. Jia said, I have an idea. She told Ria, don't be upset. You write everything about your trip in a diary and take photos and videos in your mobile. When you'll come back, I'll read your diary and we'll see photos and videos too. Ria went to her home. She found one notebook and a pen and put them in her bag. Now, now here the question is been asked in the textbook. So the answer may be different according to the experience and observation of the particular person. So let us start with the question number 1. In which vehicle have you traveled? I have traveled in auto rickshaw, car, bus, train and airplane. What would happen if Jia had traveled despite her illness? Children, when we are sick, what do we need? We need proper rest and medicine. So, even if we are sick and we are traveling, it is not good for our health. And if Jia traveled despite her illness, she might have not got enough rest and medication as advised by doctor. She might have suffered severe illness. So, children, when we are sick, we have to take rest and stay at home. Page number 42. Today is a full moon day. After taking our dinner, we took an auto to reach Gandhidham railway station. After some time, the train arrived at the station. We saw some passengers were sitting in the train. Train had departed at 7:50 p.m. from Bhuj, main station of Kutch. The name of the train was Kutch Express. Now Ria started her journey on 28th May at 7:50 p.m. in the evening. From which station? It is Gandhidham railway station. Okay. Now the train was departed from Bhuj. The train started from Bhuj and Ria is boarding the train at Gandhidham railway station and the train name is Kutch Express. Now these are the list of the station that comes in the journey between Bhuj to Vapi. So the station names are Bhuj, Gandhidham, Samkheli, then Vadodara Junction, there is Ahmedabad Junction, Nadiyad, Anand, Navsari, Valsad and Vapi. There are so many. This is a list of the stations. Now, when we went near the coach, there was so much commotion from a single door. Now, the Ria and her parents started towards their coach to board on the train, but there was so much of rush. People were getting off the train, and some people were trying to get inside the train, so there was too much of rush, people were pushing one another. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside. Father felt someone pushing. So he said, train will stop here for 15 to 20 minutes, so don't be in a hurry. We somehow managed to get and found our seat and kept our luggage at proper place. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats. The other family with us, now your mother and Ria got the window seats. Father and Himaksh got the middle seat. There was another family, they which board in the train at the previous station. They had two children of the Himaksh and Ria's age. They got two upper seats and two lower seats. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our ticket to see if we were at the proper seats. Now, after some time, a ticket collector came to check the tickets. Now, why did Ria's father has said to get in the train quietly? As we already read that there was too much of commotion at the railway platform. Children were pushing people were pushing one another. So Ria father insists to get on the train after few minutes. So Ria fathers has said to get into the train quietly because he felt that someone was pushing as they were boarding the train. How we will recognize the ticket checker at the time of journey? Now by his uniform, coat and badge we can recognize the ticket collector. Which details ticket checker checked in the ticket? Now ticket checker check the identity proof what we have and matches the age, name and the gender, and also he checks the PNR status of the ticket. Now after 1 hour the train stopped at one station. I saw it from the window. Samkhyari Junction was written on the station. I asked my father why the junction was written after the station's name. Father explained me that the station at which two or more railway tracks are separating is called junction. So here in the picture you can see from single track two railway tracks are departed. Okay, in the figure 1 and figure 2 both the figure represent about the single track separating into two different railway track which goes to two different stations. From this station, two railway tracks are separating. On the track on which their train was running, that the way to Ahmedabad and the other goes to Palanpur. Train departed after 2-3 minutes. The two tracks separated from one another. Father showed it to me from the window. Our train left that station. Now they are moving forward. Now they are moving to the Ahmedabad station. I was observing that view outside the window. It was looking like white bed sheets spread across an open plain up to far away in a full moon light. Now already we know that it was a full moon day, so it was a beautiful view. From the window, what Ria was watching. Father said that it is a small desert of Kutch and it is looking like white bedsheet because of white layer of salt on it. Now it was a desert of Kutch which was completely covered with salt. In these areas, Agariyas are harvesting salt by making saltin. There we can also see very big heaps of salt. Now who are Agariyas? Agariyas are the people in Gujarat who are called salt makers in the desert. Now here children in the picture you can see the how the salt is formed. It's the desert of Kutch and big heaps of salt. In the monsoon month, run of Kutch is submerged in sea water. Means the water covers the desert of Kutch and totally it is merged with sea water. As the water resides from October, the Agarias move in to set up square fields to grow the salt. They dig wells to pump out the briny groundwater and fill the fields where the natural evaporation process leaves behind white crystal, that is salt. Now, due to the evaporation, the water goes up and the white crystal, what is remaining is the salt. This is how the salt is formed. The train was moving fast. Something like a bridge was seen in the faint light of moon. There was light of vehicles seen on it while we were crossing the bridge. Now, as the train was crossing the bridge, what Ria saw? Ria saw that bridge in the faint light of moon, and some vehicles were also passing from on it. She asked her father that which was that bridge. He answered that the bridge was Suraj Bhari Bridge, which is known as entrance of Kutch. He said that when this bridge was not there, all the trains of Ahmedabad used to go via Palanpur. So there was a very long distance to move. So after building the bridge, it was easy for everyone to move from one place to another, as it consumes less time. Immediately, I asked my father. We had seen two separate railway tracks. Before that was the way to Palanpur, right? Father said yes. From that route only train was going. It was 11 at night, so father told us to sleep. Mother spread out bed sheet on our seats. All passengers were also going to sleep. There was toilet facility in the train. I went to toilet with my mother and then slept. Have you ever traveled by train? If yes, then from where to which place? Yes, I have traveled by train from Mumbai to Ahmedabad and Ahmedabad to Mumbai. Which facilities are provided in a train? Write in detail. So we have the facilities such as first aid and medical. Then next it is water facility, toilet facility, pantry car that provide meals, and also bed rolls that is given in first, second, or three tier AC. I tried to sleep, but I was unable to sleep due to train's noise. Now here, what Ria is saying that she is trying to sleep but unable to sleep because of the noise of the train. So there was another girl sitting next to her with her family that was the same age of Ria, and she was also not able to sleep. So they both were talking to each other, and another girl name was Fiona. She had some story books, so Ria bought a book from her. So let us read. I tried to sleep, but I was not able to sleep due to train's noise. There was another family near our seat. The girl in the family seems to be of my age. She was also not feeling sleepy. We both talked. Her name was Fiona. She had some storybooks. I also took one book from her and started reading. While reading the book, I slept. So suddenly I woke up. I saw the light was coming from the window. I sat and peeped out of the window. It seems a big city had come. The train was passing. The city was looking beautiful all around because of lightning. So it was totally lightning all over. I had never seen such kind of beautiful scene in Gandhidham, as Gandhidham is literally small city. So uh, she has not seen such beautiful scene over there. The train was passing under the bridge or somewhere from railway crossing where all around tall buildings and the atmosphere was quiet. She took her mother's mobile and take photos and videos of those beautiful scenes which she and her friend were going to enjoy later. At 2:30 in the midnight, Our train reached at one big station. Father also woke up. He told that Ahmedabad came. They reached to Ahmedabad station. The atmosphere filled up by the noise of different hawkers. Some of the words were chai, garma garam bhajia, puri shaak, cold water, bananas, vada pav, chiku, apple, and all. Father said the train will be at the station for 20 to 25 minutes. So father got down from the train to fill water bottle. I also went with him. So Ria also go along with her father to fill the water bottle. The platform was crowded. The passengers were buying the things from the hawkers. There were many other trains at the platform. There were people with the red uniform carrying loads and running around. There was an important announcement on the mic. So continuous there is an announcement on the mic to make aware about the train to the passengers. Some passengers were waiting for their train. I also Ria also was enjoying the scene. We took bananas and chiku from the hawker and got into the train. By the time the train started, we ate bananas and chikus and I went to the toilet. Now I was not feeling sleepy. I was having a board of snakes and ladders game. Himaksh, Fiona, and I played snakes and ladders. In the meantime, the train arrived at Nadiad station where Fiona had to get down. Now, this is the station where Fiona had to get down. So, Fiona said bye to us, and I and Himaksh went to sleep. Have you ever traveled by road or railway at night? What do you see on the way? Write in detail. So, yes, both the roadway and railway we have traveled at night. So, on by roadway and railway both. On road, I see many heavy vehicles passing nearby, many hotels, toll plaza, etc. So, at night, we can see this much only. Heavy vehicles, truck, and all heavy containers are passing nearby when we are on the road. And while we are in the train at the night, we can see train passing from the another tracks, many tall buildings, grassland, bridges, railway crossings, different stations, and and the vendors on the platform as well. What did Ria see in Ahmedabad from the train? Now, when she was sitting inside the train, what she saw? Ria saw different hawkers selling edible items such as bhajia, puri saak, apples, bananas, chiku, vada pav, water bottles, garam chai, etc. So when she was sitting inside the train, she was looking all these things. Did you buy anything from the hawkers at the railway station during your travel? If yes, then make the list of it. So I don't prefer anything from the railway station or from the hawkers. So my answer is no. If your answer is yes, so you can make the list. The already boxes are given over here. What did Ria see at the Ahmedabad railway station? Ria saw vendors or hawkers selling different edible items, passenger buying things from the hawkers or vendors, passenger waiting for their train, people in red uniform carrying loads and running around. Which type of voices Ria heard at Ahmedabad railway station? Ria heard the mic announcement and vendors making noise for selling their items. So children, these all are the answer for this chapter. Please go through the chapter, read the chapter thoroughly, and please write down the answers in the textbook itself. Thank you.